how to add a gift wrap to Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I would show you how you can add a gift wrap to Amazon. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to log in to your Amazon account, and then once you're logged in and you're brought to the Amazon's home page, the next step is to go ahead and get the product or send the product that you would like to add a gift to. Okay, this is because you cannot send a product, you cannot send a gift only, you have to send it together with your product. So for example, let's scroll down to check out the products I would like to send add in a gift. Okay, so let's scroll up again. So for me, I'll be working with this particular product. All right, so after selecting the products, you can see you brought to the product details page. On this page, after getting the products, the next step is to click on add to cart. After clicking on add to cart and that is added to cart, the next step is to click on go to cart, and then you can now see that by the right side of the screen there is an option which says this order contains a gift. Okay, so that contains a gift. So the next step is to just ensure the box is checked. If yours is not checked, ensure your box is checked. And then another option is to select it if the particular product is going to be a gift. Then once you're done, click on proceed to checkout, and then you'll be taken to the checkout page. On checkout page, the first thing to do, or the first thing that will be done, is to input your um shipping address. And after doing that, you scroll down and you'll see gift options. Yeah. So under these gift options, you'll see a variety of options, gift wrapping and all. Just select gift wrapping, and then from there you'll be able to order your product and your gift will also be wrapped. So that is it. This is how you can send or add a gift wrap to order on Amazon. Thank you and have a nice day.